Guys, in case you're new to this channel, my name is Hamad Benaicha. I'm the founder of Anduit.ca. In this channel, I'll talk about MacBooks repairs, everything to do with MacBooks. I'm located in Toronto, Canada, downtown next to the CN Tower, and I have been in the business for over 20 years. I'm also an Apple certified technician, and I only fix MacBooks, nothing else. So if you haven't done it yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Well, hi guys, Hamad Benaicha here for Anduit.ca. Bonjour à tous nos amis francophones. Salam ala min taba al-huda. Today we're working on a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2017, and this MacBook has, as you can see here, you can see the screen, but if I push back, it goes black. Okay, so this is a common problem on the 2016-2017 models. 13 and 15-inch, they both have the same issue. Okay, now you don't have to replace the whole top assembly. Okay, you don't need to replace the whole top assembly. You can fix the LCD. It's way much cheaper. And let me tell you what's the problem here. So basically, what's happening here? Okay, let me grab another screen. So basically, the problem is with this cable over here. One of the cable over here. This is a backlight cable, and this is a camera cable. This cable is like shorter than this. And every time you open and close the lid, okay, eventually the screen crack, the cable crack because it's rubbing against the edges over here. Okay, because it's shorter, so you rub so much and it eventually breaks, and then there is no backlight going to the LCD. The good news, like I said, is fixable. It's not easy to fix. Okay, you need a professional because it requires some advanced soldering. Yeah, so you don't need to spend a lot of money to get a new LCD. So I'm gonna work on that one. I'm gonna show you how I do it. And if you're located anywhere in Canada and you have a similar problem, you can send it over and I'll fix it for you. So I'm just gonna open the back cover. I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do. Okay. Show you at first where the problem is. So the problem is right here. So first of all, you're gonna remove the battery. Okay, now, so here's the cable that's having the issue. This one over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to scratch it over here. There's 7 wires, and then I'm gonna put solder in here. I'm gonna jump wires one at a time on this side over here, and that will solve the problem. And again, as I said, this is not an easy fix because if one of the wires touch each other, you're gonna end up with problems. Okay, and first of all, especially if you scrap the first 2, you might actually even damage the CPU. Okay, you don't want to send 50 volt the backlight to the CPU. Okay, so let me get started, and like I said, I'm gonna speed up the video because otherwise it'll take forever. Okay, so what I need to do here, I'm gonna scratch it. So I want something that's really sharp, even though this is new, but it's not new enough. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna scratch this. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it over here, but this is pretty advanced. The cables are almost half broken, you can see here. So this is pretty bad. Usually they're not even that bad. So I'm gonna have to take my time with this one because it's not gonna be easy because the cable is almost falling apart. Okay, so as you can see, I put some fresh solder in here. I'm gonna do the same on this side over here. Okay, so I put some fresh solder in here. As you can see, all the pins. No, just a matter of attaching jumping the wire from the back onto here. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna have to speed up the video because otherwise it takes a while. And yeah, I'll show you the end result. Then we'll turn it back on and you'll see the screen working properly even when you tilt it all the way. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so fix the camera here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna turn it on, and you should see the screen no longer going black when it's tilted. Problem is resolved. Plug in the battery. There you go. So let's turn it on. Let's put in the power. This on the way. Okay, so now there you go, all the way. See? Push it all the way. There you go, problem resolved. So if you're having a similar problem, visit andui.ca. You can send it over to me, or you can call me at this number. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. That way I can continue making videos. Thanks for watching.